and fix the crease. So this is what you get for doing things out of order. I know some of you that really bothers. One girl, I don't know who you were, so forgive me if I don't know your name, or maybe you don't want to be called out on this anyway. Said, why do you put your liner on after? And I'm like, you know what? I normally don't, okay? It was a boo-boo. Give a girl a break. Okay, so I kind of fixed it. And that was using this It Cosmetics palette. It's one of my favorites. They still have it. Go get it. You want this one. This is anti-aging properties. There's stuff actually in the makeup is anti-aging. It comes with a decent little brush, but the main thing is look at these colors. Perfect highlighters and a number of them. Perfect neutrals, a number of them. Some warm rusty shades. It's got a black, which you need, a purple, and a blue. What more could you use? This is like a perfect eye palette. Why don't I use this more? See? See? I'll use that one tomorrow. Actually, I used it today. Alright, now I'm going to do a second coat. And I'm going to be a little more careful since we just had to fix all those boo-boos from time one. There we go. And knowing this computer we call a camera, it will probably just cut out on me before I'm finished, but I'm going to try to finish. Obviously it's dried a little. So it's not as workable, but it's getting there. It's working. I like it. I wouldn't say this is my go-to mascara, but it's definitely worth, you know, coming back and using it every day. I wouldn't waste it. It's decent. I like it. I think I'm getting to where I like the comb brushes better than the spoolie brushes. This is a spoolie brush. Spoolie's where it's got all the little fiber hairs. Not fiber hairs. It's a brush. Whereas the comb ones are more like a barrel comb. And the thing about the comb is obviously it combs through the lashes really good. But the good thing about the spoolies is this very fluttery. Meaning it gets, oh, both of them get in there good. Let's go ahead and chip this out a little bit. I just did a boo-boo. That's why we always keep the little black cloth right there. You know, they got a little too swirly to the right. We're going to pull them back to the left a little bit. And pull them down. It's really pretty how this blue is coming through. It almost looks like blue mascara, y'all. And it's not even on the mascara. It's on the right under it. Did you see how slow I pulled that through? And look what it does to the lash. It makes it stand up better. This is decent mascara. I have to tell you one thing though. Remember how in my most recent haul I got the Gold Bond lotion, and I also got the L'Oreal Whipped face cream? I use both, and I feel like my makeup is sitting on top of my skin. I don't feel like it's going into it. And if I dusted it, I feel like it would look even worse. Dusted it with a finishing powder. I do. I think it would be even worse. Anyway, so my makeup doesn't really look how I want it to look today. But, and also I did have a good bit of fallout right around my nose. Let me just flick that off. Yeah, see, it's sitting more on top of the skin. It didn't go in the skin, which does not look good. And it looks almost like I've got a rim of makeup right above my lip. That's not good. Because it's the same makeup I always use. So the difference is the moisturizer. And I don't like this this L'Oreal moisturizer. Of course, again, I did also rub, when I rubbed my hands, I also rubbed over my face with the Gold Bond. And I wonder if it's just too much of, hold on, I need to use this. That's what these little things are good for. They help you kind of separate your lashes if there's a gloopy or if it's in a funky direction. And also you can comb through the goops if you want. I don't want to, I like them. But if you comb through, it'll pull it right off. Yeah, look at my lip, y'all. It looks like I have a little mustache of cream. Yeah, that does not look good at all. That looks terrible, actually. So, I don't know which one of them calls this. That's what you get for using more than one product when you're trying stuff out. Because now I don't know which one of them did this. I don't know. It could be either one. It could be the Gold Bond or it could be the L'Oreal Whipped. So tomorrow I will use just L'Oreal Whipped and we'll do it again and see how this goes. I also did use a different brush. Instead of my It brush, I used my Morphe buffing brush. And maybe it's that. Maybe it just doesn't pack it down in the skin like the others do. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I do like this mascara. We'll see if it's something that I end up using.